Welcome back to the grand finale of Young Chef India Schools 2016, a culinary contest like no other. Over the last 7 episodes, the top 7 young chefs from 7 cities were chosen by experts for their skill, determination, grit, patience, and of course for the way their food tasted. Have changed. Rule number 1. All 7 finalists need to replicate Chef Sean's dessert.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Chef.
I think things have changed since we last met. Final 7. Much more of a competition.
Yes, Chef.
But before all of that, I'm going to teach you an incredibly classical French dessert. And the recipe is for a very classical dessert called œuf à la neige. And basically, it's a poached meringue dish floating on a crème anglaise or custard, if you like. And there's just really 2 components. But it takes quite a bit of skill to reach the point of plating these 2 things, I think. So I'm going to start off with the custard. So we have a pan. I'm going to go straight in there with the cream to start off with. I've got a little bit of vanilla essence.
Sir, what should be the temperature?
Eggs tend to generally coagulate at about 67 degrees. So we have this nice consistency of custard. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to make the meringue. So the meringue is probably the most important part of the dish, really. Next, in with some more sugar. We have a lovely, heavy meringue. Almost like poaching eggs, really. Once it's firm, we know that it's cooked. We're going to make a couple of little sugar garnishes to go along with it. And we'll do 2 presentations, one in a bowl. I'm going to do one in a glass. So the sugar's starting to look nice. So for the one that I'm going to put in the glass, I'm just going to do a little zigzag kind of like pattern. And I think on the plate, just because it's nice and classic, I think I'm going to do the spun sugar. We have our custard. Now I'm going to half fill this glass with custard. I'm just going to make a little pool on the plate. I'm not going to over garnish this, I'm just going to put one piece. So two presentations of the same thing. Beautiful, rich custard made with egg yolks, sugar, a little bit of vanilla, meringues floating on top. Two versions, little bit of icing sugar, just to always make it look pretty. And if any of you can come anywhere near doing something that looks as beautiful as that, then job's a good one, I think. But think about all those basic things that I taught you along the way. Okay, so everybody heads in, have a good look at what you're expected to make. Can you touch it? I'm sure you can. Be careful with the sugar, it starts to dissolve quickly. So good luck to all of you. Incredible journey you've had so far. One last group hug before you get stuck into the competition.
It is a pleasure to see you all. Hello and welcome to Young Chef India Schools 2016 Grand Finale. This is what you came here for. And before we start, I have to thank you all for making us taste some amazing dishes. You're here because your dishes were appreciated by the judges and loved by the country. Can we have a big round of applause for everybody who voted for you? But today is a new game, new day. And the game starts in a bit. Before the game, the rules of the game. There are two parts to the finale. The first challenge is a dessert challenge. You've already been shown a dessert by Chef Sean. All that you need to do is replicate it in taste and concept. You can add your own angle of presentation. You can add your own feel to it. This is to test your ability to understand, cope up with, and replicate a recipe.
You'll get 60 minutes to replicate this recipe. All the ingredients of the recipe have been weighed in and kept on your table. You will have to do exactly the way the recipe was shown to you, and as Chef said, you will have to give it its own feel, your own presentation probably, and that's the only deviation that you can make.
Now to the second part of the competition. The second part of the competition is the main course part. For that, you will be given a common pool, like last time where you'll pick up your ingredients from. There is going to be one protein that's important, that's the heart of your dish. It can be paneer, fish, chicken, prawns, you can choose the protein. Along with the protein, your dish needs to have two accompaniments. One needs to be a starchy accompaniment, your choice, and one needs to be a vegetable or a lentil accompaniment. The dish has to be Indian at heart. Dish ka dil Hindustani hona chahiye. Now, in terms of what percentages are there for every challenge?
So 70%, of course, is the main course, right? Because that's what we call the main course. So maximum number of numbers are given to that. 30% is the dessert, but it's equally important. So if you have to make it to 100, it's 70-30. Give it your best in both the sides, and I look forward to tasting both of them. Thank you.
But the best dessert wins a prize. So keep that in mind. And the part one of your challenge, which is the dessert challenge, starts right now.
Looks like a good beginning for everyone, but only time will tell how the young chefs will match Chef Sean's precision.
Young chefs, it is very important that you take your time. There is no hurry, there are 25 minutes still remaining. The idea is to do the recipe just like Chef Sean did it. Take your time, take it easy, there is no rush. Anji Karamji,
See,
how's it going?
it's going good.
What are you doing here?
Caramelizing the sugar for garnishing.
Okay. So what you need to be very careful about is the sugar has to cook together from all sides. All right. Has the meringue been poached?
Yeah,
Poached and ready?
yes,
Very good. What about the anglaise?
that's also done.
क्या बात है भाई, अमृतसर में मिठाई बहुत बनाता है तो हाँ?
हाँ जी,
क्या क्या अमृतसर में बेस्ट खाने वाली चीज क्या लगती है तुम्हें?
मेरे पापा के हाथ का केक.
पापा के हाथ का केक.
हाँ जी.
गुरदास की जलेबी खाई है?
नहीं.
नेक्स्ट टाइम गुरदास की जलेबी.
चलो ठीक है.
The color, the texture, all being carefully looked into.
Hey Agnes,
Hello,
how are
chef.
you?
I'm good.
So which stage are you at right now?
Right now, I'm just going to make my sugar spirals, and I'm done. I'll start garnishing.
And how did you get that kind of a shape?
Yeah, I took a cutter
Okay.
and I put in my meringues batter in that, and I did it.
Interesting. So was that the classical style chef showed you, or you kind of
No.
innovated and did your own thing?
Yeah.
Or
Chef Sean told us that we need to have it the rounded method, the way he teaches us, but then we can put in our way of cooking. So I thought, why not do it a little twist with it?
so have you practiced it, or you just took a chance and thought that they might work out, or?
No, I did practice. I did. I won't lie. I did.
Okay, that's not bad. So you're confident that this is all going well, and you'll
Yes.
assemble them, and it
Yes.
will all turn out to be as good as Chef Sean's, if not better, right?
Yes.
Fantastic.
I'm
Agnes.
confident.
Well done. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Young chefs, you made great progress, but this is the last quarter of the challenge. Only 15 minutes left. Give it your best. Focus on plating.
Time to bring it all together.
So these are the last few moments to make that plate look elegant. These are the last few moments to give it that extra edge. Just a few moments more. Normally when we enter a room after a competition, there's panic because everybody's trying to finish their plates and going to make it look nice. And here, everybody is in control. It shows, one, that Chef Sean taught you well. Two, that you learned well. Patisserie is about eggs and sugar, and you handled eggs and sugar pretty well. So a big round of applause for all of you one more time.
Young chef of India.
Hi, I'm Chef Kunal Kapoor and I'm back with my yellow table. वही yellow table जिसने आपको दिया था amazing खाना. और इस नए सीजन में My Yellow Table is ready with a brand new menu, great conversations, as well as food that you met. Interesting people.
It's different.
मुझसे आटा तैयार पे आ रही है. Lots of barbecues and grills. तो अगर खाना है delicious खाना, तो Yellow Table ही book कराना.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today. Want to stay young but hate the heavy feel of creams? New Olay Total Effects Lightweight fights 7 signs of aging in one lightweight, quick-absorbing moisturizer. The 7-in-1 from the world's #1. Now lightweight. Olay.
Till a few years ago, Uttar Pradesh was a backward state. Since Akhilesh Yadav became the chief minister, the industries are back on track. Closed mills have restarted.
कृषकों की समस्याओं को देखते हुए जनपद सरकार ने इस मिल को नए रूप में और 3500 टीसी जो पुरानी मिल थी उससे 3 गुनी कैपेसिटी की अधिक क्षमता का मिल लगाने का फैसला किया है, जो लग के आपके सामने खड़ी है.
The fragrance of the Ittar from Kannauj has filled the world. New horizons have opened.
मुख्यमंत्री जी का जो कदम है वो बहुत शानदार है. उसमें सब लोग जुड़ेंगे, व्यापारी भी जुड़ेंगे और किसान भी जुड़ेंगे इसमें.
The era of development begins in Uttar Pradesh.
Fine French perfumes from Titan, Skin, Born French.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
The judges waste no time in tasting the desserts presented by the 7 finalists. Chef Sean joins them too.
Chef, I think they made you proud.
I think it's a great effort, really. I mean, 1 hour to make something that's really classical and quite complicated.
And I like their confidence with sugar, sugar is one thing that can burn you with like 2nd-degree burns, but at this age to have this kind of confidence with sugar to, just go for it.
Custard tastes good, I think. Meringue. I like the size of the meringue, actually. It looks quite cute. Maybe a bit of overkill on the sugar.
But he's managed to still get it very fine.
It's very good, actually.
Very thin thread. And also the sponginess in the meringue in the meringue is nice. It's bouncing back.
I think the two things. The first thing that I had some custard, and it is so nice and creamy that as soon as I took the meringue along with the custard, it was like a nice melange of that sweet and creamy thing.
I saw your second bite, like you couldn't stop eating. Fantastic.
This stands out.
I think incredibly firm, well beaten meringue. I think very nice. Has a great shape to it. So what do you guys think about those? Who's like?
I was very shaky about this dessert, which Agnes has made. We thought that it's going to come out as a kind of a poached egg, but the eggs, it's really very fluffy. The custard is very nice. It's moist. It's not very thick custard.
Yeah, that's one of the places really also, kind of really standing out. And this whole technique of using the mold was just
something we watered out there.
But that's the sugar that's kind of melting.
Yeah, it's the sugar something to do with the meringue.
Yeah, this is nice. I mean, I prefer the meringue to be a little more cooked, but considering the size of the meringue, you kind of expect that it's a little creamy.
Chef, this is also quite one of the ones that stood out. Nice garnish.
And the custard looks
very creamy. Really creamy custard. And
but I think presentation looked fantastic.
Yeah. And still holding
and
shape.
She's the only one. This is the only one which has both the garnishes, which has a thick and spun sugar both.
No, this is very nice. For us, this is the plate that stands out.
So, I think you should have a look at that.
Definitely taste it. Both for custard and for meringue. And the garnish was, of course, very delicate and hovering over.
So I think very, very nice meringue, I think.
Nice cut mango.
Nice
meringue. Just be over Thailand, you think.
But the custard also. So for that balance of meringue and custard, I think this plate stands out.
I think a nice plate of food. I just think I think if we try to compare with a couple of others that we've tasted, and if we at the end of the day it's a recipe test, we're really looking for incredibly minute details here.
I think all of them have handled both sugar and...
I think everybody's had a sugar garnish, which is incredible, I think, to say that they've probably never tried sugar garnishes before. So again, I think we have to think, with it being a recipe test, obviously there's a recipe given. And it really is going to come down to those two components here, really. Who has the best two components on that plate?
Yeah.
Nothing more.
Now we should try this one. So what do you have to say on this one?
This is one of the ones that didn't speak to me that much. As in, it's not that it's bad at all. As in, I'm not saying it's bad. It's just that, you've seen some of these fantastic plates, fluffy meringue, creamy custard. Yet the meringue looked a bit kind of, sunk or maybe not cooked all the way. So, give me your thought.
I think it all boils down to how well they've been able to execute the two basics. Handle the sugar and handle the egg both in the meringue and in the aglaze. I think you should all take notes because it's going to be very important to collate them later.
Deliberations done. Notes being taken. Results awaited. And meanwhile, sourcing ingredients for the final cook-off is underway. And the cooking for one final time begins.
Okay, young chefs, I saw that you sourced on your ingredients. And then I can see already there is a lot of action happening. I wish you all the best. I think you will do your best and you will work as per as the plan.
There is clearly a surge in each contestant's confidence this time around.
Young chefs, we just tasted the dessert that you made. आप लोगों के बनाए हुए dessert taste करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. You guys are very close. There are no clear winners as of yet. Give this your best. 70% of your marks lie here. Good luck. Kritika, क्या बना रहे हो?
It is going to be a bit of paneer in it.
Paneer.
A bit of rice flour.
Rice flour.
And aloo.
And aloo.
Thoda sa. And garlic.
Rice flour, garlic sort of a thing.
Inside there is going to be a mystery which I will not say. Sorry.
Which you will not tell now?
No.
Will you not tell me because you don't know yet?
Being very honest, I know. And if I'll say you right now, then what is the sense of judgment? I mean,
so you're going to call it the mystery dish. Perfect. Good luck.
As usual, each detail is being looked into as the 7 finalists give it their absolute best.
Young chefs, 50% of the time is over for a dish that will take you 70% to becoming a 100% Young Chef 2016. 1 घंटा खत्म, 1 घंटा रह गया, 1 hour left.
Young Chef, Young Chef, Young Chef of India.
Organ donation can save thousands of lives. I've pledged my organs because I believe I have more to give.
NDTV Fortis More to Give. Brought to you by Fortis.
Vogue Eyewear.
Excuse me, yes? I want a burger.
We don't make a burger. We are Domino's.
I want a burger.
It's not good.
So make it good.
Let's make it good. Between the earth and the heaven, there's a land of the good.
There once was a good oven that made everything good. It's the same good oven at Domino's. Fresh ingredients, mozzarella cheese, pure baked goodness. The Domino's Burger Pizza just looks like a burger.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
This week on The Creative Indians, meet the living legend of Indian fashion, Rohit Bagh, also named as the master of fabric and fantasy by the Time magazine. And we close this season with an exclusive red carpet grand finale event to celebrate the amazing talent of India, presented by Absolute Music TV, powered by Gioni and Pearl Academy.
Young Chef, Young Chef.
judges said, no one seems to be lagging behind at this stage. Everyone at the top of their game.
What's happening, Sejal?
I'm making stir-fry vegetables. So I'm just prepping for it.
So what are you preparing actually?
For starters, I'm making a gulati kebab with mint chutney and a salad. For the main course,
Are you, along with the starter, also fulfilling the requirement of the main plate, because you had to do
Yes.
one starch, one
Yes.
main course,
Yes,
and
sir.
one vegetable. So that means you're doing one starch, one main course, one vegetable,
Yes.
and then you're doing the starter.
Yes, I'm done with my dessert.
Okay.
And I've kept it. So,
So you're also making a dessert.
yeah, I'm done with my dessert.
Okay, you seem to be confident. All the best. Good wishes.
With all contestants absolutely sure of what they're doing and self-belief soaring, looks like it's all going to boil down to the taste.
क्या बन रहा था मिलन खाना?
सर उसका हमारा फेमस राइस है सर।
Is it as spicy as you have it at home?
नहीं, हम थोड़ा माइल्ड ही रहता है सर, क्योंकि उसके साथ जो ग्रेवी बनता है वो थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहता है।
और ये क्या है?
चिकन कोफ्ता।
चिकन कोफ्ता।
थोड़ा
बिरयानी भी नहीं बन रहा होगा?
नहीं सर।
ये क्या है?
ये अभी सर थोड़ा वो वेज अकम्पनीमेंट है।
बेटर देन योर मॉम?
बेटर मॉम से बेटर कौन बना सकता है सर, लेकिन ट्राई कर रहे हैं।
नंबर बना लिए सर। मॉम से बेटर कौन बना सकता है? माँ के हाथ का खाना, माँ के हाथ का होगा। क्या बन रहा है संजना?
सर अभी तो मेरी ग्रेवी बन रही है जो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीशन के स्टेज पे है एंड मेरे ब्रिंजल्स मैरिनेटेड है फॉर द बेगुन भाजा। मेरी टमाटर की चटनी रेडी है और मेरे लच्छा पराठा के स्टिक्स बन रहे हैं।
You know what? You have a big advantage. You know why? Because you can get to know how good the food is smelling before me. नीचे मौसम कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा है।
You're doing a great job so far. The reason you're here is because people loved what you did. We loved what you did. All you have to do is keep it up.
With time flying fast, none of the contestants want to go wrong.
Young chefs, you have just 30 minutes left. So currently, what's cooking?
लच्छा पराठा।
यार लच्छा कहाँ है यार? पराठे में लच्छेदार पराठे में लच्छा दिखना चाहिए ना?
हाँ जी।
कहाँ है? मतलब आप मतलब लगाओगे ऐसे ऐसे करोगे कैसे आएगा?
दूसरे वाले पे तो आ गए।
अच्छा, तो वही वाला फेस है?
चलो ठीक है।
Very well done. Look forward to eating this, okay?
Thank you.
Slowly but steadily, the young chefs move towards giving finishing touches to their dishes.
How's it going?
Good chef.
You don't have much time left, you know
Yes,
that, right?
yes, last thing.
Are you like there? Are you there? Are you there?
I'm
or-
going to start later.
What are you cooking, by the way?
I'm making two types of fish. One is fish paste, which is neem moili.
Neem moili? That's Kerala. Wow,
yeah.
I'm impressed.
And I'm making this coconut fish.
Two kinds of fish. Nice.
And I'm having a sauteed vegetable coconut with fried ladies finger. Then I'm having sauteed vegetables with reconstructed sambar.
So two accompaniments with two kinds of fish.
Yes.
No malava paratha.
And my famous boiled rice.
That's famous? All done, Agnes?
I think so.
I look forward to it.
Definitely.
Young chef,
So,
is everybody getting ready? Where are we standing? Brother, where are you?
Sir.
All going well?
Yes, sir. Bus desert.
Okay, so we have less than 19 minutes.
19?
Yes, 19. 1 and 9. We have exactly less than 19 minutes.
For some, the plating has begun. Others follow suit soon.
Okay, young chefs, you have just 10 minutes left. This is the time when you need to start plating. Whatever has been cooked, whatever is ready needs to be put on the plate.
One minute stands between you and the Young Chef 2016 title. Give it your best, but leave your stations clean because there are 15 marks for hygiene. We want to see clean tables and tasty food. 30 seconds. Time for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please step back from your stations. Some pressure, right? It takes a lot of courage. I always say it takes a lot of courage to put your talent out there to be judged. You've done it twice. आपने अपने talent को 2 बार हमारे सामने रखा है जज होने के लिए. A big round of applause for all of you. We are all very proud of you. But now, the reality. And the reality is that there's only one winner. And the winner takes it all. And the winner is going to be the Young Chef India 2016 for this year. And for that, we will need to taste. Time for tasting.
दान देने में कई बाधाएं हैं, समझ की कमी, परंपरा, भय, आस्था। फिर भी ये छोटी सी भेंट हमें, आपको, दुनिया भर को ऐसे संतुष्ट कर जाती है कि जिसके बारे में कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता है। आइए जीवन बचाएं, अंग दान करें।
जिंदगी का नाम।
NDTV Fortis More to Give, brought to you by Fortis.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
रॉकी यार दम लगा ना।
ओह, मेरे हाथ जल गए। तुम लोग ही पुश करो इस बैलगाड़ी को, मुझसे नहीं होगा।
चालू हो जा मेरी डार्लिंग।
तेरी डार्लिंग तो वैसे ही चालू है।
अबे तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
एक मिनट। रॉकी, तू स्निकर्स खा।
क्यों?
क्योंकि तुझे भूख लगती है ना, तो तू हीरोइन बन जाता है। अब ठीक है? ठीक है।
हंगर अच्छे अच्छों को बदल देता है। Hungry, grab a Snickers.
भैया वेट, भैया। तूने मेरा वेट नहीं किया ना? वेट ही तो कर रहा हूँ।
टीवी साथ साथ देखने में ही मजा आता है ना? अब अपने एयरटेल HD सेट टॉप बॉक्स पर पेन ड्राइव लगाएं और लाइव टीवी रिकॉर्ड या पॉज करें। पाएं एक 8 GB पेन ड्राइव हर नए HD कनेक्शन के साथ। मिस्ड कॉल दीजिए 76780 पर।
Uttar Pradesh gets a network of roads. The government led by Akhilesh Yadav connected every city and village to the road of development. Progress of Uttar Pradesh is speeding away on the Agra-Lucknow Expressway.
ये एक्सप्रेसवे जो बन रहा है, ये सरकार की बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है। तो मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि ये एक्सप्रेसवे मेरे भारत देश की रीढ़ है।
and soon the metro will run in Lucknow. The era of development begins in Uttar Pradesh.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
Lovely.
Wow, excellent, excellent. Begun Bhaja, along with Nawabi food. That seems to be very Calcutta.
Is the Calcutta influence at home? A lot of Bengali food cooked at home?
Yes, sir. I'm a Bengali, so frequently these things are cooked.
By your grandmother?
Yes, my grandmom.
Which would be her favorite dish?
I personally think the begun bhaja and the tomato chutney.
Classics, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say.
Sanjana, what is the stuffing inside this roulade?
So I put in a red capsicum. On that I put a mango, and then I put a green capsicum.
So it's almost the same thing that you've given outside, which is inside
Yes.
the roulade. Okay, very good. It tastes nice. The tomato chutney is very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sanjana, for me, what stands out in the dish is the chutney that you've made.
Thank you, sir.
Right? Sometimes there's a huge meal and we remember that one small thing. I'll remember this chutney for a really long time. You made your grandmother proud.
Thank you so much, sir.
Agnes,
Yes, sir.
your food is smiling just like you are.
Thank you, sir.
What have you made?
I have made vendagai with puru, neem moli. I have made fish karakumbu. I have made reconstructed sambar, boiled steamed rice with papad.
I get a lot of textures in your meal. There is a crisp vegetable there. What did you do with the veg? You fried them?
I just deep fried them in.
Fantastic.
Agnes, you cooks like a pro, man. It's unbelievable that you're a student chef, and are you sure you are?
Yes,
And
definitely.
you didn't sleep out of the back of the ICM in Calcutta. we need to check, Yeah, so
I would have known her then.
I have nothing, no comments to make, and it's amazing.
Thank you.
Wow, we have a 3-course meal.
Fish with spinach and rice and saffron sauce. How do you make the saffron sauce?
I just seasoned the oil with some onions, and then I added cream, saffron which was soaked, and I added fried onions.
Talking about the fish, subtlety is very, very difficult to manage. Right? Simplicity and subtlety is very difficult to manage. You could have easily overspiced the fish. You could have easily gone overboard with either lemon or spices. You managed to create a balance. And that for me is the beauty of the dish.
Thank you, chef.
Why is that nervous smile?
Because this is the finale. There has to be some nervousness even.
These are fantastic. Lots of different textures, combination, colors, baffling. And there's so much that you've done.
Tastes way, way, way better than what I expected. Good job.
Swadish thal.
So you were the one who was standing quietly in one corner with her dish ready while everybody else was panicking. सब लोग भाग रहे थे और वहाँ खड़ी हुई थी ऐसे. Right?
Good cook, and you should continue grilling because I hear you have a good hand in barbecue. So well done. He's he's been smiling through the evening. From the dessert to the mains, I really like him. You should be the mascot of the young chef for being smiling through this rigorous 3 hours of work, and still he's smiling.
Thank you, chef.
Yes, well done, buddy.
This is the kind of food that you could finish and say, thoda sa aur kebab aur mil jata na, maza aa jata. Right? This is the food that makes you happy, and that's what Punjabi food is supposed to do. रूह को लगना चाहिए खाना. ये खाना रूह को लग रहा है, बहुत खुशी है.
Thank you, chef. Thank you so much.
कैसे हैं?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, अच्छे नहीं है?
अच्छा है सर, ठीक.
I really like the consistency of the gravy, whatever you sauce or gravy, whatever you call, because it's not easy to come out with a gravy of this sort. And then at the same time blend it with a kofta which you have steamed, you said.
You know, you said biryani and I was hoping biryani, but man, you made me happy. As in, I would have been happy with the biryani, but I'm happier with this.
And finally, it's time for the judges to give their scores. 7 aspiring contestants' fate lies sealed in 3 pieces of paper.
Something about that work. Na 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 na. Do what you want to do. When it all comes down to you. Broken arrows in the dark, but I see the hope in you.
Get ready to dance it out with Destination Dance. Destination Dance on NDTV Good Times.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
The first look, the first touch, the feeling of first is always magical. Nexa celebrates its first anniversary. Nexa.
Uttar Pradesh is flying ahead in the Digital India campaign. The IT sector is advancing. Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's projects are sponsoring new opportunities in the IT sector.
अच्छे प्रावधान किए गए हैं. आपके स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रिबेट्स, इस तरह के फैसिलिटीज हैं.
Uttar Pradesh is fast becoming the IT startup state. Several IT cities and IT parks are being constructed.
Thawaked में एक IT सिटी स्थापित हो रहा है इस समय. अक्टूबर तक इनका स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर में ट्रेनिंग भी शुरू हो जाएगा.
The era of development begins in Uttar Pradesh.
Fine French perfumes from Titan, Skin, Born French.
Kindle, now at an unbelievable price. Shop on the Amazon Great Indian Sale today.
Hi, I'm Chef Kunal Kapoor and I'm back with my yellow table. वही yellow table जिसने आपको दिया था amazing खाना. और इस नए सीजन में My Yellow Table is ready with a brand new menu, great conversations, as well as food that you met. Interesting people.
It's different.
मुझसे आटा तैयार पे आ रही है. Lots of barbecues and grills. तो अगर खाना है delicious खाना, तो Yellow Table ही बुक कराना.
The culinary journey that started 3 months back is about to reach its logical conclusion. Chef Ranbir Brar and Dr. Suborno Bose, founder IIHM, are just a step away from announcing the winner of Young Chef India Schools 2016.
हम गुलों पे उड़ते हैं, गुलशनों पे उड़ते हैं, हम सिलों पे उड़ते हैं, सिलसिलों पे उड़ते हैं। वो कैंचियां हमारे पर क्या काटेंगी है दोस्त कि हम परों पे नहीं, हौसलों पे उड़ते हैं। Welcome to Young Chef India Schools 2016, and now is the time to find out who won. Today, we not only have the Young Chef India Schools 2016 trophy, but we have 5 other awards, which is the most organized chef, the best main course, the best dessert, the most digital savvy chef, and a special jury choice award. Let's get started. Dr. Bose, I request you to please take center stage. Food expresses emotions. That is how important expression is to food. They say if you can put how you feel onto a plate, you're a great chef. There are various other ways of expression, and digital expression, expressing yourself through social media, is as important as expressing yourself on a plate. And hence the award, which is the most digital savvy chef of the year.
And the award goes to Sanjana Mukherjee.
It's feeling amazing to win the Tech Savvy Award because I really worked hard on all my promotions and stuff. And yes, it's a big thing that I reached till this level. And I'm here and I'm also winning an award on top of that. I'm really elated. Thank you so much. This is from my mom. Big shout out to my mom.
They say if you're given 3 hours to cut a tree, you'd spend 2 hours sharpening your axe. Cooking is no different. Sharp knives are the most important arsenal of a chef. Organized kitchens are success stories. And hence the next award, the most organized chef award. Dr. Bose, up to you.
And the winner is K.U. Susan from Hyderabad.
I'm really very happy. Coming till this stage itself is a very proud moment. Winning an award is again one more thing. So I'm like really very happy. Cloud 9.
There's a saying, life is short. Eat desserts first. खाना जो है वो एक journey है और ultimate end goal है dessert. You eat food so you can get to the dessert. Right? That's how important dessert is in our lives. And the next award is the best dessert award.
And the best dessert award goes to Sejal Lobo from Bengaluru.
I'm very happy, but I didn't expect this because I'm not that much of a dessert person, but this clearly proves that I have the ability to do this. So I've decided to indulge myself more in desserts and explore this. Yeah, I'm very happy.
हिंदी में कहावत है मुद्दे की बात. And when it comes to food, the मुद्दे की बात is the main course. So let's see whose main course won our hearts.
So the best main course award goes to Agnes Barnard from Kolkata.
It feels amazing. I was actually very confident that I'm going to get it because when I made it, I knew this was the best shot I could give. And I was really confident and I knew like, kuch milega hai nahi, ye wala to milke hi rahega.
Next award is an award that's very close to my heart. And it's close to the hearts of all the judges. Because this is the Jury Choice Award. Which of you really impressed us, and on a broad scale, for us, was a good young chef? Dr. Bose?
So the Best Jury Award for Young Chef India 2016 goes to Karanveer Singh of Delhi region.
I feel amazing to win the Best Jury Award, as it is just like the first runner-up award. So, just amazing.
रणवीर, खाना दिल से बनाओ तो दिल को लगता है. लग गया ना? And now, the moment of truth. The reason why you're standing here. The reality. फैसले की घड़ी. Young Chef India Schools 2016 trophy and you. Nothing stands in between. I'll bring it closer. Being a great chef not only takes cooking, it also takes organization, hygiene, discipline, and a lot of other factors that you were judged on. And based on those factors, we have a winner. And I'll leave it to Dr. Bose to announce the winner.
The winner of Young Chef India 2016 is Agnes Barnard from Kolkata.
Amazing, and my dream was to get the scholarship with the prize that I was going to receive, and now that I've got it, I'm really excited because now I can fund my own scholarship. And for the people, yes, Agnes Barnard is here.